Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
AI coding assistants often guess Java or Kotlin APIs, leading to wasted debugging time. Library Insight fixes this by scanning your exact jars and ARs. This JVM API Explorer and MCP server prevents AI hallucinations by building a searchable, version-correct public API index from compiled class structures and Kotlin metadata. For complete details, the documentation section points to architecture diagrams, command references, and integration guides online. Key features include an MCP server for IDEs like Cursor, plus a migration advisor to compare versions and audit dependencies. The quick start shows how to install the CLI, then scan, search, explain, or diff library versions, or connect to MCP. Finally, the license confirms Library Insight is distributed under the Apache license, version 2.0, ensuring open usage. Imagine AI assistants like Claude or GPT creating notes, managing calendars, and organizing contacts directly in your Nextcloud instance. That's what nextcloud-mcp-server enables. This nextcloud-mcp-server is a standalone solution, designed for external AI clients, offering deep CRUD operations across your Nextcloud apps. To quickly start, you can run the server locally with UVX, or integrate it directly into your MCP client configuration, using an app password for security. Key features include over 110 MCP tools for comprehensive API coverage, plus experimental semantic search for finding content by meaning, not just keywords. It supports many Nextcloud apps, from notes with full CRUD to mail for read-only access, and even semantic search for vector-powered content discovery. For authentication, the server uses app-specific passwords, supporting single-user or multi-user deployments via login flow v2, which works with stock Nextcloud. This claude-skills-collection lets you extend Anthropic's Claude with powerful, modular capabilities for productivity and more. You'll even see how to build your own custom skills. The claude-skills-collection is a curated set of official and community-built tools. These modular tools extend Claude with practical workflows for coding, debugging, and automation. This overview shows 218 skills across 13 categories. Development and code tools lead with 72 skills, followed by utility and automation, and marketing and SEO. Among the popular picks, GrillMe helps pressure test plans, while diagnosing bugs provides a disciplined root cause debugging loop for hard issues. The table of contents lists all categories and important sections. It's a quick way to navigate to specific skill types or learn about contributing. Claude skills are specialized modules that perform structured, multi-step tasks. They can create documents, analyze data, or debug code, offering powerful workflow automation.
Ever spent 6 months on a research gap only to find it's already closed or not a real contribution? AI Research Skills prevents that. This AI Research Skills Catalog ensures every thesis topic passes a 3-gate decision dossier, so your pipeline only flows from feasible candidates. The content section outlines what's inside, from installation to the full research pipeline, helping you navigate the catalog's offerings. To install the skills, you can use the Claude Code Marketplace for auto-triggering, or load the portable SKILL.md files into other hosts like Codex CLI. This catalog exists to fix common pain points, like repeatedly re-explaining context to new AI sessions, or dealing with AI confidently citing non-existing papers. The pipeline details 8 stages, from discovering literature to manuscript submission, ensuring each stage's output mechanically feeds the next for a smooth workflow. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.